In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on TastyFX. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to any of your accounts you want to use. So for me, I want to use this demo account and click on Open Platform next to it. What this will do here is it will open up their trading platform where you can go ahead and start trading. And start trading is actually very easy. You can just go ahead, click here on the left-hand side, and you can find different things. So here I have all FX pairs, and if I just go ahead and find a random one, for example this one, you can click on any of the pairs, click on trade just above the chart over here on the right hand side, and this is where you can basically start trading. So if you're looking how to trade, you can just click on buy or sell over here, switch between standard or quick orders over here, and then you can select either market or this kind of a price level order over here. You can select your size, your stop loss, your take profit, whatever you want to do, and then you can just place the trade, and whenever that's ready, you've basically started trading over here on TastyFX. So it's that simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.